Hi, my name is Sean Wells. I'm the market manager for ACT Entertainment, and we're here at the ACT Entertainment booth for InfoComm 2026, bringing you some of the ProCo devices that we've had on exhibit this year. So ProCo is always known for their cabling, their interconnect solutions, but also what we have here is just some simple stage devices that can be installed, such as like our Dante wall plates or some drop boxes that we have here too. So these are super simple to jump on and off the network with. Above that, we've got some AOC and DOC types of devices that allow you to run analog or DMX over category with break-ins and breakouts. Extremely simple solutions. And then down at the very bottom, we have some of our power distribution devices. These in particular are our drop boxes. You see them in True 1 as well as the Edison there. Extremely thick 1/8" metal for the extrusion boxes, and just a phenomenal rugged box there for that. Around this side, you'll see some of our other power options from ProCo, some of our other power distribution. And great thing of these is it's scalable. If you want something a little bit larger or smaller, they're recessed breakers, they're magnetic breakers, they have light indicators for where power is being delivered, and so there's a lot of options that we brought to the show, and we would love for you to check more out. If you had questions, be sure to reach out to your ACT Entertainment sales rep or visit procosound.com.